how much you value the ring or not. Just you know, say, yo, I mean it, you know. I got married her, man. I married her. And God spare life, everything I go right here, you know. You see, try go America for Jamaica, alright. Bumbuckler too, no, man. I tell you this, man. I'm not foreign minded, brother. All of my people them live a foreign. I'm not foreign minded. You see, I know I can do Jamaica and make it. I just want to find a way to make some real money, bro. You see, them made them sit down and pray. Them things they bother my brain. Right now I get on a little work. They're around 2 grand or 3 grand a day. Time I put 1,000 of gas in my bike and buy lunch or 5 days I come with. Sugar meds. Joke. Minimum wage in Jamaica 100 USD. 100 USD. Trying to find a real way. No, me I pre-trading, man. Me I pre-trading like no more than anything else. Me I pre-trading. Trading I one thing with me. I observe me didn't pre cryptocurrency on a whole. See me love cryptocurrency. Now pre-Dogecoin, Bitcoin too expensive to buy. For a long time, you know. I just do, me never have money. Money make you rich, you know, you have to start off with something. You see it? You know what I mean? Boy, I wish me could have get some molding work right now. You see it? I just need to buy up some tool and get some molding work. And that I'm trading on furniture I usually build. You see it? Install, drywall, door, handrail, molding installation, flooring. I mean, but I don't know. So I think that figure it out. You know? Buy up some tool and go look some of them work about. I swear. Thank you. Me never know, me have to figure it out. I have to figure it out, the blood clot. Make up yourself. Right now, me there, I pray for what more install. Guys, look a bit fun this, you know. Me I go drop one stall, you see me? I go drop one fruit stall. Thank you for your roses and something them, so. When me drop a stall, when I not drive past the acre, I want to come support me, you see me? I go start selling some fruits down on the main road, you see it, so. When I not drive past, I know the red ants are going to out here, so you see me? When I just go and watch it pray. You see it? Just go and watch it pray, man. I drop a fruit stall down on the flat there, man. You see it? I mean, come off a TikTok so nobody can tell me, say, yo, me I beg nobody nothing. Erase a TikTok where I beg, they not tell them go look walking on me alone, they want to tell go look. So me I go sell some fruits. I go sell some fruits and help myself. That's it. And if you go tell who they are number 1 and number 2 and for number 1 to top 20, and them if you go tell go look up, man. The other people them we I try. I don't know if you tell if you go look up, I could go and try. As I say, I don't know if you tell if you go find something to do. You know me? Not work. I work now make no sense. You have to go hustle. You have to work for yourself. You know me? Honest to God. When you go tell for number 1 to 20, so if you go look work. No low blood clot, everybody we're down in the top 50 them. You see anybody where they below top 50 go down? And allow the bumbuckler people them alone. If you reach top 20, you jump in the top 20 them and go tell them things, brother. Anybody below 20, you allow them fuck alone. Understand? Yeah. And no fun if you have one platform you just sit down around here and push if you can push. That's how I think go still. You me? But no jokes, man. I dropped my fruit star, man. I dropped my fruit star, bro. Overwhelmed me, no? I took me there, so. You see me? I took me there, so. No jokes, took me there, so. That's how I want it. Reason, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, thank you so much. Nah, man, head always up, man. Believe me. Yeah, man. I need to restart my life good. Good, man. Yeah, man, I have to do it regardless. No matter what, I got to be there. Time is a wait, man. Fluffy, thank you. Guys, I can reach out for the live goal, man. Oh, God, man. 2,000 way over here and we can get 535 donut, man. I'm not make it look so, man. We enjoy, my sister. Thanks again for calling and check up here, my sister. Big up yourself, you know, man. Bad. I did it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I did with Bill Kiss. This is doing fine. Smithy, big up yourself, you know. Miss Chin, bad. So, Winji, where you did with sis? Yeah, my sister, man. Big up yourself. You did tell her sunflowers. Yeah, my sister, man. Thanks, man. That's it. Joe, big up yourself, Joe. Bad, my sister. Thank you. Bad, you know, my sister. Thank you for taking that type of gift today, you know. Appreciate it, you know. Fireworks with days. Jazzy, big up yourself, you know, Jazzy. But now, guys, thanks to everybody, send out the Empire. You know me? Thanks to everybody, always over here, push we, regardless towards positivity. Thanks to negative people, them too. When I have nothing better to do more than come over here, so come style where daytime. I wanna big up on yourself, regardless, bro. When I go see growth, no matter what, growth I go do there. No matter what, bro, and no, if it's my baby, bro, like, it's my baby, bro, like, remember when I get kids before, no, but the experience, China, thank you, the experience, bro, like, if you see, she feel pain now, like, me had a baby one of them, they do they just come and then go down, you see me, and then they stay hospital and baby. Me literally there so and watch Ali. She in a pain. I have to bear with her until she's ready to go to the hospital and carry her down. Did it with her. Dip on the phone with her till the baby born. That was nice. That was nice. I could have done down there. Stay in that room with her. Yeah, she feel some pain last night, you know, bro. One ball. She a ball and some wicked pain. I mean, they at a time the contraction them coming up on the phone and I watch the time, man. At time the contraction them and 3 minutes apart. And the survey, alright, 3 minutes apart, and then then it liquor for 1 minute straight. And it stop, and then 3 minutes again it start back until it reach the 2 minute apart. I'm there I watch her and she yo woman, on a big up on herself. You see every woman that have pitney, you see every woman that get pitney and show boy pitney, yo, on a big up on herself, brother. I whole heap on Africa tree. Bamba glad, man. Big up on yourself, on a touch on yourself on the shoulder, so brother. Yo, every mother, brother. Every mother, brother, me I tell her, brother. every mother, just big up on yourself, brother. For once, all if you no give away picking after I pitney ban. You see me? All if you no give away pitney after I pitney ban, me no business. You see if I want to push out the picking, I want ras no do you know? And a normal thing, you know? And a big up on yourself, brother. For a mother, brother. And big up on yourself, brother. Like, no jokes. No normal, brother. If you see a man can bear them the pain, brother, you ever see one man belly a hatty met? Or in ball? Blood clot here, man. Yes, man. Last night, be a feel pain and be grab on for me blood clot last night. Be grab on for me. Be grab on for me with the nails last night. I want to kill me. He hot Lika. Me say she want to kill me blood clot before she go to the hospital. She want to kill me. Be hold on for me blood clot like she want to kill me. I say come you could carry go to the hospital, brother. And now when we go live then we go to the hospital. Why? Imagine if me did in a room with her. If I did in another room there with her to blood clot, I grab a drag of blood clot. Yeah. Everybody in that room that she tear up my blood clot in that. Tear me up. Relax. Let it rip me up. You hear that? And I ask a question. I know that for sure. Only thing, I don't worry about it still. Only thing what I'm saying is, that look out for your girl, baby. We buy so much things to the girl. Like, everything. Everything. For girl, everything in a girl. And I become a boy. That I got. End up that's a boy. When views. When views. Okay. I can wear the unisex color them, but I'm mostly pink. Like pink that they like grass. Pink that they like what grass, like pink that enough. Man bad pink. Funny thing is me tell her say I want boy, you know. Me tell her say you know say I want boy you got before we even do ultrasound. And me I say God now bless me with no girl baby. Not yet. See me? I say I want boy, you know. The ultrasound I want girl now, me happy you fuck. And I say you happy beyond me. How I feel when me say I'm the girl, brother. You don't even understand to blood clean. I say finally I get my girl, baby. But I'm in the hospital and see little man to blood clot. Little man look like he didn't work last night. Only I them fat like he didn't asleep. He didn't asleep. You know me? I swear he didn't asleep. The tree ultrasound. Oh God. You wanna stop talking about me smoke no man of the bomb. I want to no man and just talk and reason no man and allow me smoke no man and I say me not sleep on last night, bro. Me I try keep up myself. And allow me smoke, man. Dead stamp. Cut to fit. Me a tailor, you know. Me a tailor. Me a tailor. Mini ants ball. Somebody just say mini ants ball. Oh my God. That's funny. Come in now guys. When I like how I'm dealing. So one on a big on a 2 wheel, please.